This is a demonstration on how to install CoreELEC onto this device. Now this is a Dune HD Pro 1 8K Plus. We will be using a 128 gigabyte flash drive. We will insert it into one of the USB 3 ports. We already have an instance of CoreELEC installed onto this flash drive, so we're going to go ahead and reset it, reformat that flash drive. Okay, way to properly do it, you right mouse click it, go to show more options, go to manage, go to disk management. Okay, right there it is there. Okay, we're going to delete that volume. Delete that volume. New symbol volume. Now that's the whole flash drive right there. And it's NTFS. Okay, now it has completely been reformatted perfectly. Okay, now that we have our flash drive prepped, let's download the firmware. Okay, we're going to get this right here. That's the latest and the greatest. Now we want the generic right there. So we're going to get that one and we're going to go ahead and download it to the desktop. Now that we've got our firmware and we've prepped our flash drive, so let's go ahead and open up this app that we're going to use to create that operating system. Okay, we want to go here, open it, select the target, that one right there, select one, now flash it. Now that we've created our operating system on the flash drive, we remove it from our computer and then plug it back in. So there we are right there. That's what it created. But we ain't done yet. We got some more files to add to it. Now we're going to grab a couple of files that we need to add to the CoreELEC. As you can see, I've had a lot of these Android TV boxes, but we're going to go here. Now we're going to need that one there. Actually, this one here. So we're going to copy it. And we're going to paste it over here. Now I'm going to rename it. Now this is what gives me the Dolby Vision. dovi.ko. Okay, now I need a remote control. Now I'm using the UGOOS, let's see what the heck is it? The UGOOS UR02. So that is the infrared for it. So we're going to go ahead and copy that and paste that over here. Now let's get the blue. Okay, now we've created our CoreELEC bootable device. So let's go ahead and reject it from our computer, and then we'll go plug it into our media player. I almost forgot the most important part is the device tree. We have to pick out a device tree. And we're going to use this one right here, the UGOOS 8K SK1. So we're going to copy that and we're going to paste it to the root. Now we're going to rename it. Okay, now we'll go plug it into our media player, and that will install the CoreELEC. So that's it. So thank you very much for watching.